Libra, this is your channel messages. We're going to say for the 12th because I am going to do the 13th of May on the 13th of May, okay? I am biased. Leave me alone, okay? Sometimes listen, if criminals can get away with their coke selling crimes and their rape crimes, then I can get away with doing readings on my birthday. Okay, cool. So this is for the 12th of May. Libra, the justice system. Okay, so I'm getting all right, so I'm not sure if anybody heard about the story of the 17 people that went missing. They applied for, when I was in the shelter system, every single blood clot week, my social worker is telling me, go on Indeed, go on LinkedIn, go apply for your job. You mean like how you apply for that job that you obviously did not need a college education to get? Anyways, I'm not sure if you heard about the 17 persons who went missing while applying for a job on Indeed. I can attest to that. In 2021, something may have happened in 2001. I think in 2021, or it was early 2022, I went on Indeed. I'm gonna try for, I think I told the story already on my channel. I applied for a warehouse job. And them tell me how I need steel shoes and this Ghanese, I don't know if I'm Guyana or Ghana, one of them, bring me go Walmart, go buy the steel shoes, right? And then the recruiter, first of all, them identify me as Gemika, Gemika, because I sent my resume on Indeed and them reply saying, hi Gemika. I don't know if somebody named Gemika. Them replied and said, hi Gemika, we have accepted the application. Anyways, the fucker them tell me say how them going to give me a warehouse job and how I need to come to this is a warehouse, something like that, 5 o'clock in the morning. I need to be there. Them tell me say me need to be there by 5 in the morning. So when I Google the place, I Google Maps the place, it'll give me one dead end. When I Google map the place, it'll tell me I have to come off of the bus and walk 20 minutes to this so-called location. Now when I Google map the location is a T road. The road is a dead end, is a T road. And I say how me go take a bus, come off of the bus and reach this place at 5 in the morning. That don't make sense to me. Anyways, the morning, the recruiter called me. 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, the so-called recruiter called me if I'm still coming. And me I say, I don't know no recruiter, I don't know no big job who call people and I ask them on the day, 5 in the morning, for ask me if I still come the interview. So I say, yeah. Then I notice the guy who I was staying with, him get up early in the morning to wanna ask me, you got the job interview, and I kind of mosey around with him and I said, yeah, I'm gonna go. Anyways, him fall asleep and wake up again and see me at the house. I never bother go because I know something smell wrong. And then, of course, it escalated to police being called because they couldn't traffic me with those Argon documents. And then the police decided to traffic me as a kitchen sink in a Travel Lodge Hotel. But the point I was trying to make is, yeah, you need to be careful. Be very, very careful. I know I love job and a lot of people like for rub the facts them upon social assistance in my face. It's okay. I am protected. I don't mind. I don't fucking mind. I'll be a success story in the future. This is my present. It is not my future. You understand? Some people get the job at my age and lose it at 50. And some people don't have it at my age and get everything at 50. I am not insecure about my situation. I have accepted my situation for what it is. So yeah, be careful. Because some people are saying it's not real. It is real. 17 people gone missing and it's all girls. And if we not apply for where the trafficking ring is warehouse jobs, security officer jobs, and is fucking cleaning jobs. Especially if you see a picture of somebody, if you see a family, or you see some white people, it could also be black people who post a picture of somebody saying that they can contact me for their services. Trafficking. I yet to know what the Jewish Community Center done with that picture of me when I had the puffy hair with the broom. Perhaps they were advertising me. Trafficking. That's what trafficking looks like. A lot of people cannot identify it. So Libra, the justice system, we're getting something about trafficking. They're trafficking as cleaners, warehouse. Marriott Hotel is known for trafficking cleaners. So be mindful. It's 2025 now. A lot of people are getting very desperate, especially the girls them, where you guys are very vulnerable. Okay? And they started to get very, very tricky when them are traffic on dating sites. You go on dating sites, you get traffic on that too. Know that. You might meet a man who is not your race on a dating site, and all of a sudden him offer you a job. That sounds like Get Out the movie. Him need you to come work for him, or him need you to come over him house for do. We don't know what the fuck he want to do to you. But what we do know is, yeah, you need to be careful. Ladies, especially you. Them a traffic, warehouse job, security, cleaner. You need to be very careful. That's how them traffic you. Okay, so the justice system is Libra, all right? Yeah, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Yeah, because something is going to be done as if it's a job interview. Me getting is trafficking. Them a traffic you. Them a traffic you as a cleaner. We still don't know who the fuck Noella is. And if them not traffic as a cleaner, it's something about security. Or again, warehouse. It's a big warehouse. Them can take you and lock up in the basement for dark web activities. A lot of these things are for either dark web footage, where them are gonna torture you and upload it on the dark web, and when them finish torturing you and killing you, them are gonna just sell your organs for parts, but them have dark web content. Yeah, or them just traffic you as like a sex worker, something like that. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Libra, the justice card. We have a star card, yeah. Me getting you being trafficked as a sex worker. The problem with the thing with me, I didn't know if I did come Canada, I get trafficked. That's why I say I not stop on social media. Because usually when I get trafficked, I don't have phone. My father always say, come off of the phone. I say, yeah, because you have blood clot traffic. Who God knows who you have traffic with Man Care. Man Care Jamaica is another trafficking agency. Man Care. Yeah, them a traffic as blood clot. And I remember one time I have a conversation with my father, and him say, your phone number that's in Jamaica, I see it on WhatsApp, and it look like a beer sex business that happen. I'm like, okay, what does that have to do with me? It's not my phone number anymore. But my father was insinuating that the phone number we used to have is associated with some sex work. Yeah, the star card, you're naked, me getting sex work, them are traffic you. Me didn't know that for a long time. That's why I'm always up on social media. Not TikTok, not Instagram, YouTube. So any day I go missing, you know there's something wrong. And apparently maybe somebody was supposed to traffic you and you wasn't supposed to be on the phone or the internet. The problem is you're on the phone and you're on the internet. So if somebody deemed you to be dead, or if somebody deemed you to go missing a long time ago, I'm getting you showing up as a star. So how you did dead long time ago but you're up on YouTube? How you did traffic long time ago but you still have social media? We're getting the star card. Or I'm getting you are going to be the face of exposing this huge trafficking ring, whether that involves the government. I'm also getting everybody know. I'm getting you're going to be very sad because you're going to find out that everybody who you came in contact with knew what was happening and they said nothing. You're going to be very, very sad. Your family, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, men who you dated, people, social workers, dentists, lawyers, I'm getting everybody knew. Everybody knew. You might be sad that your own family didn't know and they never said anything. I believe that your family was in on it. But me getting you're going to be really sad because you're going to be like every single one of y'all knew. Everybody around you knew. And them hide the secret. But star card. But you save yourself. Apparently you got famous. That's why you're gonna come out of it. Like Dochi, you know Dochi? Dochi's a trafficking victim. I don't know if people know that. Dochi, she name, she's a trafficking victim. She used to get trafficked. Let's continue the reading. Star card. We have the chart. Yeah, the police. Here's the police. Yeah. And right after the whole warehouse situation, the police did put me in a travel lodge hotel. And that's how the kitchen sink did start. The $503 Beetle kitchen sink did start. So yeah, you're getting trafficked. I'm not sure if you're getting trafficked by the police, because the chariot is police, or I'm getting something about a Cancer who is being trafficked and drugged into sex work. Because she's naked. She's a star though, but she's naked. You have to be really weird when you can do porn and not get trafficked, but you try to apply for a cleaner job and people are traffic you. That's when you know the world fucked up. Alright, so we have a chariot here. Because me getting something about your name. Them I say them can't match you because your name change. Your face look the same, but your name change. I also get a dream. My dream said I meet somebody and them look exactly like me, but them skin color was lighter. Me getting the person looked like me. I'ma keep a question, are we related? Were we twins? Were we lost twins? And we never know. And the girl in the dream not answer me. She just look kind of fidgety and she not really. I don't know if somebody did plastic surgery, if it look exactly like you. But in the dream, one of us was black, which was me, and another girl was white, and she had my face. I dream about a white woman who had my face. I'ma look on her, but the only thing is, it looked like she was trying to get, you know when you get hair surgery? It looked like she had tried to get it upon her eyebrow. Me getting the eyebrow never look right. Her eyebrow never looked like this, but her face was exactly mine in my dream. That's the first, and I've had dreams already where I'm seeing myself. I'm seeing me doing something that I never done before. So I don't know if this is AI. If somebody have an AI image of you and somebody else's body, but my dream that I see a woman who look just like me. I'm not sure if there's a lost twin out there or somebody who just look exactly like me. But I'm getting the chariot here, okay? Now this could also be something about getting trafficked among the police. I'm getting fuck police officers. All of these people who are traffic you, all of them are police. So I'm getting somebody that try to pass you around. We have the Two of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Cancer. I'm getting somebody who you used to date. I'm also getting something about a Pisces. I'm getting you need to be careful because even the dating sites, them are traffic too. We have this, yes, the job here, the Three of Pentacles. I'm getting somebody who you date or who you can offer you a job. I'm getting is a trafficking. I'm getting is a recruiter when it comes down to trafficking. I'm getting the so-called business place have men and women working there, but them lower people there by dating them. I'm getting it's all a part of this company's business. And even if them not trafficking you physically, they will traffic your documents. You go to a job interview, they might tell you, say, yeah man, give me a SIN number, sign this paper, do all of this, and then never call you back. Yeah, them just thief your information. The star card is clarified by, yeah, but me getting it done, it blocked. Apparently, you became too famous. That wasn't supposed to happen. You were not supposed to be on social media. People was not supposed to like... Me getting apparently I got too famous. That's what fuck up everything. And me getting the more famous I get is the more people start to ask questions, even though a lot of people knew what was happening, right? Me getting you're gonna be so sad because people know what was happening and them said nothing. Not sad, but very disappointed. If I know that, whoa, everybody around me was a monster. Everybody around me was a monster. You're gonna be really surprised. And somebody want you to feel indifferent about it because they're like, we sold you to a really good buyer. You're a trafficker. You know different than a slave owner who used to own slaves and sell them. That's the problem. The good thing is Jamaica is a so-called third world country due to the corruption and infrastructure, but Jamaican people are first world. That's the good thing. So we could keep up with America, Canada, and other first world countries. Our infrastructure is third world, not our education system. Our education system is first world. Our Jamaican reasoning skills is above first world. So if you think you was going to take somebody from a third world country, they didn't have a third world mind. That's why you get fucked. The Chariot is clarified by the Page of Cups. I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This young person who works for the police. I'm getting a Cancer. The Two of Cups is clarified by the Five of... Yeah, it's somebody you used to date. I'm getting that's how they recruit the girls them. And if you're a person who... I'm getting somebody might even... And I'm getting somebody might even encourage you for like taking nude pictures or video call them while you're naked, right? My big sister used to always do that, always fucking do that. I'm like, that's how many knows that she want to sell out. Cause I remember when I video call upon her and she always naked on the fucking video call. I'm saying in my head, she don't know say people are watch this. She don't know that. She think WhatsApp call is just a call where you just call people. People can hack your phone. She always get naked on the call. At least two of my sisters. When I call them don't turn the phone and talk. Them I get naked. Fully naked. Pussy and breasts and everything on the fucking WhatsApp call. And that's why I did stop talk to them. I don't even use WhatsApp no more. I'm getting somebody I used to date. Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Emperor. Yeah. So I'm getting this is the big man on top. This is the head of. I'm getting him is a big man on top. This is him employees. Him send him employees for go out, go recruit, go out, go employ, and I saw them come back and traffic you. I'm getting by the time, I don't know if this is a missing, like you're missing, but I'm getting you still on payroll for the Emperor because the Emperor needs the information. Something isn't going to fall through though. I'm getting somebody know what's happening. We have MK Ultra. Yeah, again, something about taking off your clothes. Taking off your clothes. I'm getting all of a sudden you just take off your clothes. I don't know if there's a camera in your vicinity, but all of a sudden your clothes is off. And you don't know why, you don't know how. Your clothes off. I'm getting MK Ultra. Or again, I'm getting something I'm gonna come to a halt or something I'm gonna stop because somebody got too famous. Or somebody knew from day one what was happening. So they make sure say they were never missing online. So now 5 years ago you get a girl from a so-called third world country for traffic. 5 years later, everybody know her name. I'm getting you're going to be the face of this big, I'm getting something about a human trafficking ring that you and your face are gonna be the face of the. I'm getting when this trafficking, when the Emperor's business crumble, you're going to be the face that's going to be the person who brought it down. And you have to remember that the man them are pussies. The man them, a lot of the man them turn pussy. That's why no man can blood clot make me feel no man can make me feel insecure. None. Cause remember, out of all those men who are getting fucked by P. Diddy is a girl bring him down. Why no man never bring him down? Because the men were afraid to say them get fucked in the ass. The men were so scared to say them get raped in the blood clot ass. Remember say I want girl bring down P. Diddy. I never want man. And you would expect a man to be stronger. Yeah, you're stronger outside a lift blood clot brick. You're stronger outside a lift blood clot iron. You're stronger outside pan blood clot construction site. But when your uncle and mother say you're blood clot strong, the girl them strong. When the girl them get beat and blood clot rape, and the girl them strong and the blood clot man them know that. So you can go and talk about what girl bring to the table. You can go and call girl prostitute, or you can go and say girls are whores because them ask you for blood clot money. Remember says a girl bring down PD because the man them was too pussy for do it. The same blood clot man them who batty get fucked more than Cassie pussy was getting fucked. Remember that. And that blood clot save Cassie. You think if Cassie was a nobody, this would you think should I get justice? Because she was famous. That's why P. Diddy got blood clot wrong. You never make a trafficking victim famous. We have Libra. Yeah, I'm getting something about the justice system. Or I'm getting the last person for traffic. I want Libra. Him is a Libra. He might born October the 11th or October the 6th. It's a Libra. We have Venus. I'm getting somebody used to fuck. And we have a shark. Yeah. So I don't know if somebody gonna try to pay you for hush, sir. I want to see, sir. You have to get locked the fuck up. And me have to get pay. For pain and suffering. I'm getting you play the cards right. Or maybe everybody thought you were dumb and you not pay attention. Me getting, oh, you were paying attention, all right. You have to pay attention for people to recognize your face. Not to try to go to the police and run to the police and try to tell the police how you get traffic. The police is in on it. They won't believe you. That's how you try to outsmart the system. You don't try to go to law enforcement or lawyers who are already bought out. You make sure say your face is known. A lot of people thought I was doing this for the attention. Sweetie, I am doing this for the money first and the fame second. But before the money and before the fame, I had to keep my fucking face afloat. Because I knew from day one what the fuck was up. So, if you feel like you get traffic, I would tell you to come, do not go on. I would tell you for close Instagram, close TikTok. And again, I know you're desperate for your job. But on every job opportunity you get if you jump on. Them are traffic. Them are organ harvest. Know that. So I'm going to leave it here. Libra, until next time. Bye.